Morning to all of you. Today's online class is social science. Little bit of history we are talking about. The dawn of modern age in Europe. This video we will go in detail about that. By the 15th and 16th centuries, there came lot of geographical discoveries which resulted in exchange of ideas among people among different countries, and came different scientists, artists, and literary workers. There was a tremendous change in the field of literature, arts, and science. Copernicus, Galileo, Isaac Newton were some of the great scientists of this period. And the explorations of geographical areas were done mainly by the explorers Vasco da Gama, Magellan, and Columbus. I will show the map of the world which shows the route of Magellan, Columbus, and Vasco da Gama through the sea towards the world. Before that, let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. The route of the explorers given as different dots through the Pacific Ocean towards Africa and towards Indian Ocean is the route of Magellan. Magellan, a Portuguese navigator. Victoria was his ship. This is the first ship which revolved around the earth through the sea. Route of Vasco da Gama is shown like a small dots. Vasco da Gama, you can see, started from Europe through the side of Africa, coming to the Indian Ocean, and came to Kerala. Vasco da Gama came to Kerala, landed in Kapad at Kozhikode in 1498. He was a patronage of Portuguese king, and the king became very happy with his voyage. He returned with 60 times the money he spent for his voyage. Being so happy, the king honored him with the title the Admiral of the Indian Ocean. Columbus was an Italian explorer. Columbus' route is shown in the map with small dashes and dots in between. Columbus, you can see, through Atlantic Ocean, came to the side of America. His aim was India, but he landed in America. He thought America is India. Columbus is an Italian explorer, enjoyed the patronage of the King of Spain. He found the Red Indians. Red Indians are the first tribal community of America. Red Indians were destroyed later by European migrants. What were the reasons of these voyages? The reasons were progress in the trade, increase in the production in the field of weaving and pottery works motivated the explorers. Increased income from the trade, emergence of towns, migration of villagers to towns, middle class people, guild system, and the emergence of nation states. This all resulted in the number of in the increase of voyages. Nation states means the states wanted to be independent without the hold of landlords. Strong dictators rose in power in France, England, and Spain. They suppressed the feudal lords and thought of independent state. These are called as nation states. These explorations brought immense change in the socio-economic conditions of the countries. What were the changes brought forward due to the voyages? Colonization, economic exploitation, trade rivalry, spread of Christianity were the main effects of these voyages. Colonization. The Europeans, Spain, France, and England found out different parts of the world and they made colonies there. This resulted in the exploitation of people and came trade rivalry. That means in between the European countries became a rivalry in the terms of trade increase. This resulted in the world wars. English education and spread of Christianity. During this time, Catholic Church got its importance in the world and Christian missionaries started making their own monasteries and educational institutions which resulted in the spread of Christianity and English education all over the world. Renaissance and humanism. This topic we will continue in the next episode. I remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.